Hello, I'm Dennis with doityourselfdennis.com, and in this short video I want to show you how to cut in at a ceiling and get a straight line. First of all, you want to start out with a good quality paintbrush. You buy a cheap paintbrush, you're going to get a cheap job. If you start out with a good paintbrush, it'll make all the difference in the world. First of all, I use either an inch, this is an inch brush, I'll use an inch or an inch and a half. Most homeowners or novices will probably want to use an inch and a half because it makes it a little wider. But I'm using an inch right here. And I'm going to dip my paint in about a 3/8 to a half an inch. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's about right there. And I'm going to just start in the corner and I'm going to work my way up to it. And at first I'm just going to kind of jiggle the paintbrush up in there so I can get it up in the corner, and then I'll just come out straight. Smooth it out, put a little more paint on. And you can take the paintbrush and kind of dab the paint off the back so it doesn't, sometimes it'll build up and it makes it a little harder to cut it in. You just take your time, good even stroke. Okay, so with an inch, you'll probably want to go back and just kind of make your line a little wider so that you can get your roller up in there. And then what I do, I've never seen anybody do this before, but this is the way I cut in. I get a 4-inch roller and I go ahead and cut it in wider. It seems like if you just cut in that little bit, whoever's painting the wall undoubtedly touches the ceiling. So if you go ahead and use like a 4-inch or a 3-inch roller and get that cut in, they don't got to come up so high. And you're going to want to feather it out, so that you don't have a line of paint. But that's how you paint a straight line. Check out my other videos at doityourselfdennis.com, and thanks again for watching.